We all know that Newmarket is one of the famous markets in Kolkata. While shopping in this area, if you are feeling hungry, then this place has quite a good number of options for you. Starting from tidbits to a complete meal, you will have everything available here. If you are visiting Newmarket, then your tour will be incomplete if you don't taste the famous street food here. Let's begin our street food tour around the Newmarket area and taste the delicious Kolkata street food at an affordable price. We start with some snacks. If you love spicy and little tangy food, then you must taste the famous Vel Puri or papri chaat here. Vel Puri is a mixture of muri or puffed rice, boiled potatoes, chopped onions and some Indian spices and chutneys. You can have this as your morning or evening snacks. This mouth-watering food will cost ₹30 here. Papri chaat is another variety of snacks. This is a fast food most commonly available at mobile food stalls. This food costs ₹30 here. Next you will get masala muri. A paper bag filled with spicy puffed rice mixture costs ₹20. If you want something filling or a complete meal, then you will get ample options here like Indianized Chinese foods like noodles, chili chicken, etc. The complete platter will cost around ₹60. Another great option is Indian rolls. That is paratha or flat bread stuffed with egg or chicken. get all of these within rupees 30 to 40. If you want to have a glass of fresh fruit juice after your meal, then that is also possible here. A glass of mixed fruit juice will cost rupees 30. Next, you can have famous Mughlai paratha of Anadi Cabin. Mughlai paratha is a roti stuffed with generous amounts of onions and eggs. You may find Mughlai paratha in many other places in Kolkata, but Anadi Cabin serves the best and maybe the cheapest Mughlai parathas. Other than Mughlai paratha, they also serve plain paratha, chicken and mutton recipes. A Mughlai paratha here will cost around ₹7.